Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service, and we are here on location in the Spruce Grove backyard, and you can see Matt in the background. He's hand raking a lawn which we're gonna overseed today with a process called slit seeding. So Matt is doing some final preparations for the best results for the seeding process. So we have massive dog damage on this lawn here. We have plenty of dark spots, and this home is going on for sale. So the homeowner wants to be sure the yard has a pristine looking lawn for the next homeowner. So now we're gonna rake up some of those dead spots. Then we're gonna mow it short. We're gonna trim it nice. And then we're gonna pull out the slit seeder and do the overseeding process, and the homeowner takes it from there, watering and mowing. So let's stay on track. Hand raking first of the dead spots to take off some of the dead down matted grass, and then mowing and trimming short, seeding and putting down some starter fertilizer, and we off for a fantastic lawn for a new homeowner. Rudy here with your yard service, and let's get this rolling. We have the lawn all mowed, and now we are ready to do the slit seeding. That means overseeding with a machine called slit seeder, which basically works in the seeds as it basically moves across the lawn. So this is perfect clean solution for a lawn renovation if you don't want to have additional topsoil brought in, so you have seed to soil contact. In this case, the machine works in the seeds into the existing turf soil, so you don't have to bring in extra dirt. So that's why it's extra nice and clean. So there you have it, guys. This is the process of slit seeding a lawn, and this is one way to do overseeding and thickening up your turf, bringing in new seed cultivars, making your lawn look better and stronger in the future. So if you have any questions, comment below or shoot us a message, or check out our website, youryardservice.com, or call us 780-218-8134, and see you in the lawn.